have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the general settings, date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, you have to firstly disable use network provided time. Here you can set up your date, here you can set up your time. You can also set up your time zone if you disable use network provided time zone. And here you can select your desired time zone. And you can also change time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.